Welcome back to Inventor. We're going to go ahead and create those jigsaw pieces that we made. You remember those where we had to have our 5 jigsaw pieces that created that 3 by 3 by 3 cube. So in order to do that, we're going to create one of those cubes, and then we will do a little save as to make sure that we could get all different 27. So here we go. We'll click on part. We'll start a 2D sketch in the upper left corner. Then I'll choose that XY plane. And while we're here, we could choose the rectangle. And again, I always start at 0. Click once. And as I branch out, I already have it highlighted, so I could just type directly over it. There were 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 equals 75 cents, so that's 0.75. I hit the tab key, 0.75. I hit the tab key again. I could zoom out with my mouse, and you should see it as a perfect square there. They're both at 0.75. I could go ahead and click that into place. I could choose the finish sketch, and then I'll extrude it by that same dimension, not 1 inch, but 0.75. Hit enter, and bam, I got myself my gray cube. At this point, you're probably going to want to change the color so you can see it. So at this time, I might make some denim blue. Maybe I'll make something a little nicer blue. There you go, nice glossy blue. So when I do this, I want to make sure I hit save. And it's in that first time, it's in my good old stem folder. And I could just label this as blue cube. As I do that, now I want to make different colors. I want to do 5 different colors because we had 5 different puzzle piece parts. So I could hit the eye in the sky in the upper left corner. I could do save as. And now instead of blue, what's my next color I want to make it? Well, my next color I want to do red. I'm going to type red cube and hit save. Now you might ask, well, that's not red, it's still blue. Correct. At this point, we could go back, change the color, find a red. Now that I got it red, now I could just hit that little save button, and I already have it labeled as our red cube, so it's okay. Now I could just keep doing that for different colors. So I'll hit the eye in the sky again, do a save as, and now I should be able to call this whatever my next color could be. I could have a yellow cube. So this one's my third. I hit save. So now you see the file name on the middle and the top of the screen says yellow cube, but it's still red. So I just got to make sure I click on the color, find that yellow. Now I turn it into yellow. Now I could hit that little save disk. Okay, so now I got my yellow cube. Gotta hit the eye in the sky. Hit my save as. And I'm going to continue going until I have 5 cubes. My next one, I'm just going to make it black. So the black cube. Then I hit the change the color. Find myself a black. There's a black cube. Hit the save disk. So now it's actually a black cube. Eye in the sky. Save as. Now I could pick one more color. How about a good orange? Use orange. That color. And see what I find for an orange. There's an orange. Oh, I can see it. So now I have all my different colored cubes. So once you have that, you could watch the next video on how to make an assembly.